What's going on, YouTube world? We're at it again here at the Holden Outdoors. Went to Walmart. We got some cheapest boats for a crossbow, and next to the cheapest broadheads. We're gonna see if they work. It's the Island from Walmart. We're gonna see if they'll kill a deer. Not this Saturday, next Saturday. About 2 more weeks away. September 7th it opens. So right here, I'll show you the setup right here. Here's the broadheads. I got one out, got one on the boat. Right here's the finished product right here. So stay tuned and like and subscribe, please.